How to change location on Hinge. Without further ado, open up your Hinge application from your app drawer and make sure that you are logged into your account first. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right hand corner from your profile page. Tap on Edit Profile, scroll down and look for the location option under My Vitals. Tap on it and then zoom into your map and find the location you'd want to set or change to. After you are done changing your location, you can go back by tapping on the arrow at the top left. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change location on Hinge. Pretty simple, isn't it? If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.